To control a single ducted split system with a wired digital controller, TIS offers the 1AC-Gateway, which can communicate with many ducted AC brands using different connection methods. For example, TIS can control Daikin 4-core, Daikin Multilink 2-core, and other brands such as Toshiba, Fujitsu, Gree, Mitsubishi, Hisense, Hitachi, and more. You can check the wiring diagram of your AC unit to see whether the terminals match the required communication terminals of the gateway. You can also visit the TIS website and use the HVAC Compatibility Tool to search by AC remote control model number or by AC unit model number. Not all model numbers may appear, or sometimes only the first digits will match, but the terminal compatibility is the most important part. You may send our technical support team a photo of your AC wiring diagram and the model number so we can verify compatibility and confirm which hardware is required. After connecting your AC gateway to the correct terminals, download the TIS AC configuration app on your Android phone from the TIS website. Click on Support, then select Software and Application, then click on AC Gateway Bluetooth Configuration. Go next to your AC gateway, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is on, open the app, and tap Obtain Bluetooth Devices. When your gateway appears, select it and go to the Upgrade section. Keep Integrator set to TIS. Select your AC brand from the list and verify the matching connection method and terminal description. For example, Daikin MX Duct Unit, 4-core. Select it and press Upgrade. After the upgrade is complete, go to the AC section and test the communication. If gateway and AC communication shows normal, then the connection and brand selection are correct. To confirm, test by turning the AC on/off, adjusting the temperature, and verifying that the AC responds correctly. If the main AC wall controller is installed, it is important to enable the slave line controller mode. Some AC brands require the original controller to remain installed to communicate. Other brands will not work if two controllers are connected at the same time, so the original remote must be removed. Some types work with or without the original remote. Always check the manufacturer's requirements. Once communication is confirmed, open the TIS software, find the AC device in the list, double-click it, add comments, and test it from the Air Conditioning tab. To assign a TIS keypad with thermostat, select the keypad from the list and double-click it. Go to Air Conditioning tab, select the AC page number, enter the name, choose the room, and press Save. Under AC type, select VRF. Enter the subnet ID and device ID of your TIS 1AC gateway. Modbus slave ID must be 1. Indoor unit ID must be 1. Press Save. At thermostat control option, enable automatic control if the original AC wall controller has been removed and the TIS keypad is the only controller in the room. Disable automatic control if the original AC wall controller is still installed in the same room. You can test AC control from the AC status section or from the AC page on your wall panel. After configuration, your AC page will appear in the project database.